Hello and welcome to the S Designers booth at ENGIMACH 2025, where world-class machining meets smart automation. From high-speed performance to uncompromised precision, every solution here is built to boost productivity. And this is powered by S Designers.
Hi, my name is Thilar from Ace Designers Limited Marketing and Service Division. In ENGIMACH, we display our 1370V model. The particular machine is specially built for your mold making die and mold application. The machine point of view, this is 1370V. The axis travel, x-axis 1300 mm in x-axis stroke, y-axis 700 mm and the z-axis 700 mm. The table, we are offering around 1450 is the x travel and y is 700 mm. And here we are display our machines with BT40 with 8000 RPM direct driven spindle and 11 bar 15 kilowatt spindle power with 24 tool ATC. The controller point of view, we are offering the Mitsubishi latest controller. The model is called Mitsubishi MIT VA. It's an advanced version. And the controller point of view, the controller gives 2020 blocks per second processing speed and a lot of options are available. And the customer can use this particular model especially for mold making, die mold application, plastic injection molds, die casting, hot forging dies. So all the applications you can use the machine. Today we started our machines, all roughing operation is completed. You can see the metal removal, heavy metal removal can be done. This is a P20 pre-hardened steel and we cut the material at a 0.5 depth of cut with a 5 meter feed rate. So you can see the lot of chip removal, everything. So the special purpose of the machines is specially used. You can use the machine specially for all the metal removal applications. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Brijesh Jagani, Business Head, Ace Designers Limited Marketing and Service Division. So this time in the 17th ENGIMACH exhibitions, we have demonstrated very unique product, compact ton mill centers, which are having a 12 stations live servo turret which can accommodate all live tools applications. This machine is suitable for the multiple segments of the units like general engineering, hydraulic, valves, fittings, which can cover multiple applications, which is suitable for the turning and milling applications together. Machines was demonstrated with the Siemens 828D controllers, so along with 825 spindle, 165 mm chuck size. And footprint is very much compact, which can suit to the any small or micro kind of industries. Thank you.
Basically, if you look at Indian industry, is looking at automation in a big way to meet the efficiency of products. Due to that reason, we have displayed this particular machine with a auto loader, which is going to cater to high volume productions and with different varieties which can be addressed. And in this, it can accommodate both cup type components and shaft type components and even external components, which can have an impact for customers to produce at larger numbers without intervention of human. And ultimately, the productivity can be enhanced drastically with this, and it is going to definitely give. And if you look at the ROI of this, is going to be less than 1.5 years, what people can get it. And ROI in the sense not only manpower cost, the efficiency is going to contribute to a large extent, which is the key here. And we expect customer to adopt this particular technology way ahead. And maybe by another 5 years, it is very difficult to get humans to operate machines. That is how the industry is moving on. Because of that, we wanted to get ready ourselves. That's why we are going to make sure that all our machines are going to be automated in future exhibitions.
Next. We are displaying our CNC simulator. The biggest advantage of the CNC simulator, it will help all our customers. Majorly, it is in the education industry or any corporate customer, you can use this simulator. The simulator point of view, we can give the simulator in CNC turning and milling. The biggest advantage of this CNC controller, normally if in a customer place, suppose if you want to develop any new product, so what will happen? You will go to the shop floor, the NPD team, they will give the information, so the programmer, he will generate a program in live machine. So that particular time you needed to stop the machine, but here it's not required. So you buy our CNC simulator and keep it in your any AC room, and you can generate your NC program in the CNC system itself, and you can run the program like in the live cutting you can see here. So all the programs is verified before you are running in the actual machines. So the advantage, you can use the machine as like a milling and turning you can use, and you can see the simulation. You can see the simulation of the CNC system, and after completion of the program, everything you can measure the component also. After that, once everything is completed as per verified, then you can download the program from the CNC simulator and you can use it in your shop floor. Now I am going to operate this CNC simulator. You can choose your handle mode and you can choose your Z-axis motion, and you can see here your Z-axis automatically will move. It's a virtual. You can move the axis also. What axis you want, you can move your Y-axis and you can use your X-axis. So automatically it will move. So what is the advantage of this CNC simulator? In any education industry, normally people will develop the new engineers or new operators. So this CNC simulator, it will help us, all the operators, before they are executing in the live machine, he can take a complete training on our CNC simulator. Definitely it will help us to customer. Thank you very much.
This is automation cell what we have exhibited this exhibition, and it is going to handle one machine center and a lathe to handle different application, to look at loading unloading of components, and this is going to be very cost effective solution what we are trying to look at it in this ENGIMACH at a very optimum cost per customer, to experiment and make sure that as a first project they can look at it.